In this video, I'll show you how to protect yourself from Zelle scams. By the way, if you run a business, Zelle probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, only send money to people you know and trust. Zelle is designed for payments between friends and family, and once you send money, it usually can't be reversed. Always double-check the recipient's email address or phone number before confirming any payment. Never share your verification codes, online banking login details, or one-time passcodes with anyone. Banks and Zelle will never ask you for this information. Be cautious of messages claiming there's a problem with your account or asking you to send money to yourself to reverse a transaction. If something feels urgent or suspicious, pause and contact your bank directly using the official number on their website or app. Taking a few extra seconds to verify details can help you avoid losing money to scams. Zelle is decent, but personally I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Zelle offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review, covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.